In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Wix website. If you have never built a site before, that is completely fine. Wix is designed to guide you step by step, and today you will be able to follow along at a steady pace. I will walk you through the exact start of creating your website, from the first click to choosing a template, so you can move forward with confidence. To begin, go to the Wix homepage or the Wix dashboard where you start new projects. Look for a button that says Create New Site in the top right corner. Click it and take a moment to make sure the page changes so you know your action worked. This button is the starting point for everything you are about to do, so it is important to begin with the correct menu. Next, you will choose the editor that you want to use. When the options appear, select Wix Editor. After you choose Wix Editor, you will be asked to type your site category. This is where you enter what kind of website you are building, such as a personal site, a business site, an online store, a portfolio, or another category that matches your goal. Type in the category you want, then click Next. This step matters because Wix uses the category to help tailor your setup, so your site starts with relevant features and suggestions. After you click Next, you will continue filling up the setup fields. The screen will show prompts that help Wix understand what you are building. For example, it may ask for details about your website focus or general direction. Follow along carefully and enter information as prompted. If you see choices on the screen, select the option that best matches your needs. If you see text fields, type the correct information. The purpose of these fields is to help Wix configure your website in a way that makes sense from the start, which saves time later. As you keep going through these setup steps, there is one more key moment you should watch for, because it defines the look and feel of your website. When you reach the part where Wix asks you to choose a template, this is the time to pick something that matches your style and your site category. Take a look at the template previews shown on your screen. You can usually scroll through them to see different designs, layouts, and theme styles. Now it is time for the main selection. Click Pick a Template. This opens the template library for the category you selected earlier. Spend a little time here, because a good template makes everything easier. Look for a design that has a layout similar to what you want, such as where the homepage content appears, how navigation is arranged, and how the page sections are structured. Also consider the overall style, like colors and typography, since you can adjust many things later, but it helps to start with a direction you like. Once you select a template, Wix typically loads it as a draft, and you will be ready to begin customizing pages. Even though you are not doing the full design work yet, choosing the right template at this stage sets you up for a smoother experience as you build. And that covers the essential beginning. Clicking Create New Site, selecting Wix Editor, entering your site category, continuing through the setup prompts, and then choosing your template. From here, you will be able to edit the site content and design details, but these early steps are what get your Wix website properly started, and that is all there is to it.